Hey everyone, Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
For real, don't adjust your TV.
Don't adjust your screen. We are here. We just want to show you one of the great features of a Marathon Coach. So we are sitting in the bedroom. There we are. This is my idea, so don't blame her.
I can't take credit.
You know, one of the things that we talk about all the time is the ride of the Prevost, the conversion of the Marathon Coach. But when you live in one of the coaches, there's so many things you love. And one of the things we talk about is it's noon here right now, and you saw how dark it is in this bedroom. It is pitch dark. You can't even see your hand in front of your face. So today we just want to show you some of those little things that we love that you don't even think about when you're selling a coach, is just like how dark the bedroom is. And you know, for some people that darkness is really important. Yeah. So we are going to go on and show you some of the other things. Be right back. Hey everyone, Randy and Dawn here, standing in the galley of 1332, and we were just showing you how dark the bedroom was. And another feature that Dawn and I really love living full-time in a coach is the windows. I mean, I dare bet if you've been in other coaches, you sit inside and you don't have this view. So what we love is how no matter where you're sitting in this coach, you can see outside. I mean, Dawn's kind of showing you the view that you have. And you know, we spend every day in this coach, you know, working. And so to have this view is just amazing. And then another thing I think we're going to show you, I think Dawn's going to step outside. And I don't know if a lot of you realize that during the day, you can't see in here. The windows are tinted to the degree where when we're sitting in here during the day, people can't see us. Now at night, with all the lights on, you're lit up like an aquarium. But we're going to show you a little bit of that. And we just wanted to bring to you some of those little things that maybe you don't always think about when it comes to buying a coach. Some of those things that you enjoy every day. The darkness in the bedrooms, the window in the salon and galley, then also the ability not to be, with all these windows, not everyone seeing what you're doing all day long. So Dawn's going to take a step outside and we'll show you what that looks like.
So here's our experiment, friends. So Randy is inside. He tells me he's waving his arms in the air like he just don't care, but we can't see him. You can see how dark these windows are from the outside. Total privacy and total view from the inside. It's a great combination. Let's revisit Randy.
So hope you enjoyed just some of those little things. Like I said, when you spend as much time in a coach as what Dawn and I do, those little things mean a lot. The darkness in the bedrooms, the windows, the views, the everything. So we just thought it was really neat to bring you something a little different. So because it is a total experience. So so we hope you enjoyed that. And just want to remind all of you that you know, if you're in the market for a new coach, a pre-owned coach, feel free to reach out to Dawn or I. You can find our emails on our Marathon website, and you can contact us. We have some sales have been great, so we might have to work a little harder to find you the exact coach that you're looking for. But feel free to reach out, and we'll see what we can do for you.
We'd sure love to get you into the Marathon family.
Yeah. We've delivered some coaches recently, and there's nothing more that we enjoy. Just sold an 03 Marathon, and they are so excited to be part of the Marathon family. Did the delivery in San Antonio, Florida, and they are just loving their coach. So super excited about that. So feel free to reach out and keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.